Aging is a natural process that everyone has to go through this. It highly depends on several factors like lifestyle, diet, and other personal habits. But we can slow down how quickly the aging cells multiply by being conscious of our diet and taking good care of our skin. Today's video is about the anti-aging serum that works deeper than your epidermis to get rid of wrinkles, age spots, and hyperpigmentation as well as other signs of sun damage altogether. To prepare this serum you need chia seeds gel. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants that will keep you looking young and vibrant as well as take good care of your skin. Flax seeds gel. Flax seeds have a lot of lignans and antioxidants that help you stay nice, smooth, and hydrated while getting rid of fine lines and wrinkles. Almond oil. Almond oil helps clear up your complexion and moistures your skin. Vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can treat the rash, cure sun damage to the skin, and give you an even skin tone. Let's prepare chia seeds gel. Take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and add half a cup of distilled water and soak it for 2 hours. Strain it and you have your gel. To prepare flax seeds gel, take half a cup of water in a pan and add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and boil it on low flame for 5 minutes. Strain it once it cools down. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds gel, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds gel, 1 teaspoon of almond oil, and 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix it thoroughly and transfer this mixture into a serum bottle. Use this serum regularly twice a day after toning. With regular use, fine lines and wrinkles will fade away and makes your skin smooth and hydrated. You can store this serum for up to 2 weeks in your refrigerator.